guys, we're gonna go check on Tiny, our last piglet mama, our baby mama. She had them, I would say about 2.5, oh gosh, maybe 3 weeks ago. So let's go check on her. The kids just went out and fed all the animals. Love that. So we'll go see how she's doing and check on the baby piglets. They were born, they're just so tiny, and then just like, and their eyes are closed still, and they have their little umbilical cord still on, and just within a day their eyes start opening, the cord drops off, and they just start getting fat little piggies. Doesn't take long. So let's see who's out here with us. She's way down at the far area. Let's check these guys over here. They're probably going to hear me. Hi! That's Sonic the Hedgehog. See her coming? That's Sonic. Hey, Sonic! Oh, and let's see here. Hi, Fancy! Whoop. That's Fancy. Right there. How do I point on the camera? It's so weird. There's Fancy. Alright, let's go down. Keep finding Miss Tiny. So far away. We have her in a little area by herself so that, you know, so she can nurse the piglets and the other piglets that are a couple months and a couple weeks old. They don't come and steal the milk. And it looks like some of them are nursing, so let's go check it out. I'll switch the camera. Oops. Oops. Gotta get over. Hey, Mama. Hi, babies. Hi, guys. Wanna see? Wanna be on camera? Yep, there's Tiny, because she fits her name well. Look at our piglets, are doing so good. Hi. Got her tail wagging. Hi, babies. What's going on? Here, I'll scratch all. You guys look so good. Yep. I don't think we inspected too close yet who's boys and who's girls, so we're going to have to find that out. Hi! You want to see what's going on? Oh, look at that one's got some blue eyes. You see that one? Oh, Tiny can't eat the camera. Thanks. Hi! Alright. Let's see if she eats my camera while I set this up. Come here. Come here, Tiny. Say hi to your babies. Come here, Tiny. Don't eat my camera. It's going down. There it is. Tiny, you can't eat the camera. Tiny, you can't eat the camera. Still recording though. Woohoo. This is Frank. It's a boy. We checked it out. He's got blue eyes, so baby blue eyes, so he's Frank Sinatra. Hi, Frank. I know. Oh, baby. Yes. Thanks for letting me hold you. Thanks for letting me hold you. Good job. Okay, Frankie. I'll see you later, Frank. See you later, buddy. Okay. All right. Pig kisses later. Thank you. Are we giving you guys apples? No, we're not trying to be funny. Here, you see it? It's right in front of you. Little dubs. There you go. Look like a possum, don't you?